everyone, welcome back. I'm at Sanna Beach again today with my family. It's a bit windy and a bit grey today, but it's quite a nice day really. So we've come for a walk down the beach. I was hoping that we might see the sea eagles again, so I've got my big lens on at the moment. Obviously if I manage to get any snaps of anything interesting, I'll stick them up later on for you in a video. Hope you're enjoying this beautiful scenery anyway. I'll spin the camera around and show you some more of the place. So if you look across the bay, right on the where the mountains are, at the foot of the mountains across the bay, that's Portuic. I think I pronounced it wrong in one of the other videos, but that's where we've been staying. I did see what I believe to be a white-tailed sea eagle flying across the bay in the distance down there this morning, but we haven't seen anything since, frustratingly. The thing with white-tailed sea eagles is I think they can be a bit lazy. I think they can spend hours and hours just sat on rocks or on top of trees without moving. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to walk down to the sea anyway and get some pictures of hopefully some of the other seabirds. But there's not much knocking about at the moment, and fingers crossed, if the sea eagles decide to make an appearance, I'll try and get a picture for you. Forgot to mention as well that that first day we were at Sanna Beach, Amanda actually got a picture of one of the sea eagles. She managed to catch a snap of it as it was just flying by her. She's got a decent shot of it, so I'm going to put that up at the end of the video for you to have a look at anyway, so at least one of us got a picture of one. So I've got both my lenses with me today, my landscape lens and my 300mm lens. So I've got my big lens on at the moment. I'm just going to sit up here on the rocks and see if anything comes over. It's a bit quiet at the moment, there's not much about, but we'll have a see, and oops, if I get anything I'll stick it up in the video. Portuic, we've really enjoyed it. Had a great time, it's been lovely. Right, so I've taken off my my big lens and put my landscape because it's a bit barren, a bit quiet at the moment. There's nothing really flying around. A few seagulls, seen a few oyster catchers, and some the European shag, but they're off in a distance. Nothing's come too close, so I'm just going to take a few pictures of the landscape. Reasonably warm weather for a March in Scotland, and we've been quite fortunate really. But you know, I don't know about you guys, I just love places like this. Quiet, beautiful scenery, fresh air, you can't beat it. Absolutely stunning. Okay, let me go this way.
It's like something off Minecraft. Look at that cool bridge going off. See it?
Oh yeah. Oh that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, oh yeah. Look at that. That's cool.
Can you see it from that side? Because you can see under it here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's cool. It's like a bridge
That's
from
like a
Minecraft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go across there. You're like going over a bridge. So take your time. He's on the bridge now.
What is it called?
Is it too narrow?
You can do it. Wow. Yes.
Watch them rocks, might be a bit slippy where the beach.
I'll help you down. Do you want to hold my hand?
No. I'm
Okay.
going.
Go on then.
I'm going to the beach.
Right guys, that's the end of the video now. Not seen any white-tailed sea eagles, but that's the way it goes. Amanda did get a picture of one a couple of days ago, so I'm going to stick that I'm going to stick that photo up at the end of this video in a moment, so stay tuned for that. I'll stick a couple of the other pictures up that we've taken today as well. Hope you've enjoyed it. It's quite a cold, windy day, so we've had a nice walk, you know, some fresh air. I'm going to head back to the car now, go back to our digs and have a nice hot drink and have some food. So thanks again for watching, really appreciate it. Do us a favour, if you like this kind of content, like the video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Doesn't cost anything, and you'll be kept up to date with everything that I put up on YouTube. Until next time, take care of yourselves and I'll see you again. Bye.